Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reload this with the trimmer string here. It's really real easy. Come here, can you come here, princess? The real easy is you got to pop these two out. See, you don't really have to pop the two out, but these two is you push this in on the side and it comes out. You don't really need to do that to get that out, but in case if you ever have problems, you just pop it out like that. You want to show them. See how that just pops in like that, and you push these to come out. The easy way to load this up is take the end of the string right here. I know it's kind of windy, and you got to line this up to low. There you go. You see that has to line up. There's a little channel in there that lines up, and there's a hole in there. You can see you just string this little piece in there and it comes out on the other end. See that? Just like when you're little playing with jump rope, right? You want to line up, so you want it both even. Can you hold this while you record that? Okay. Now you're gonna pull this both sides. I'm gonna put this on the ground. You want to both line up. They designed it really easy to load up. In the past, your old trimmers, you have to take them apart and you have to line it up and they will pop out whenever the string. But this one, so once you do that, this one you don't have to worry about it. So it says here wind. You just do the clockwise. Here you go. See? And you just go like this. You see how it's winding up? You want to come up closer to show them. Ooh, it's windy. But yeah, you just want to keep doing this, and then it's winding up. And see, it's almost even. That's the reason why you had to do it even, because once you wind it up, look at that. See, I didn't get it that even, but once longer than you can trim it. And that's all you got to do to it. And when you're using this trimmer, right, it's on. I didn't put the battery because you just got to knock this on the ground. Actually, it spreads out. It'll extend these wire strings for you. Or you can just press it down and pull it out a little bit, and it comes off. Okay, so that's all you got to do. Okay, you wind it, and then you press this down, pull it out a little bit, press it down, move it counterclockwise, and pull it out. And that's how you get the string longer too. But if you don't want to hit it on the ground, damage it, but you can do it that way, or you can just hit it on the ground and it eventually come out. But that's all to it. Just want to show you. It's really simple, real easy. But thanks for watching.